On my previous video, I had some comments asking me to build them a relay, not what I wanted to do. So I've designed a relay with off-the-shelf parts. Designed and printed 3D models for the 5-pin male plug and the 2-pin female plug. This is a list of parts. They are also listed in the description. Parts required 3D printed 5-pin and 2-pin plug and socket. 6-pin connector for blade terminals. We will be using 5 males and 2 female spade connectors. 2-pin mechanical flasher relay, some wire suitable for 12-volt connections. A 2-relay 12-volt high-low level trigger module. The jumper will be running in the low of the DC plus terminal, DC minus terminal. Trigger in 1, trigger in 2. The common on the relays is the center terminal. On the left is normally open 1 and normally open 2. On the right is normally closed 1 and normally closed 2. Fit the 2 female spade terminals onto the flasher relay. Here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The red wire from the 5-pin male connector goes into the plus 12 volts terminal, which also goes into the one side of the flasher relay. The light side of the flasher relay goes into both the commons on the board relay's center terminals. And we have 1 extra wire, which is the earth, which we need, due to the board being a powered board, which has to go to the earth of the chassis of the car. So we'll hook those up and give it a test. So to simulate the turn signal arm being activated, we will just earth 1 trigger terminal. We only have 1 bulb, so it will then flash. I have designed and 3D printed a simple case. If your left-hand flasher arm causes the right-hand flasher to indicate, you can swap either the trigger or the normally open flasher terminal connection wires.